You should be who you are. And if being who you are is an artist, then for that reason alone is the reason that you do what you do. You do it because you wake up in the morning and you can't think of anything else but painting, dancing, singing, whatever it is that you love to do. Additionally, I think Jay-Z said this, but it was a really important little piece. He said, the goal is not to make money. The goal is to figure out who you are, figure out your skills, and live your life through that.
Message!